Hello guys, welcome back. Another interview questions like in Oracle payment file is transmitted successfully to bank, but invoice is showing unpaid status. What the reason? Okay, so you have created the PPR. The business user they have created the PPR, reviewed this and built the payment, formatted the payment, and transmitted the file to bank. The file is status is showing as transmitted successfully, but when you see the invoice status is showing unpaid. So that means even if you transmit the file successfully, that does not mean that the payment is completed successfully. Because once you transmit the file from bank side, the banking partner who is your bank, they will validate the file, review the file, validate the file, check if all the details, all the informations available in the format file or not. If something is missing, then they will reject the file even after transmission. They will reject the file. And if they reject the file, even if the file is showing as transmitted, the payment will not be completed. Why? Because when the bank will send the notification, acknowledgement, the rejection or acceptance notification to business user, that whatever payment file you have transmitted, this is rejected. So once the file is rejected, then what the business user will do, they cannot confirm the payment. Usually what happens once the file successfully accept the payment file, they will send the acknowledgement to business user that the payment is successful, and again the business user will come to this PPR and manually go to the action and confirm the payment. So once the user confirm the payment, then your payment status will be updated with your invoice, and the status will be paid. But in case bank reject the payment file, then business user they cannot uh, confirm the payment. Okay, so that's why you need to know that even if the bank file is transmitted, uh, before confirmation you cannot make the payment as completed.